Beautiful day. What do we have here? Hey, motherfucker. Look at him. My little buddy. When I first got him, he went under that little red table and hid in the shade. So I named him Shady. He's my little nigga though. He followed me everywhere. I just took him in our neighbor's yard though real quick to get something. And he just tried to run over there, so I don't know if he's gonna follow me this time or not, but he should. He's what was it? Borderline collie or something. Full-blooded for sure. Look at him. He already knows where to go. He's fucking awesome, man. What? Well, oh, my baby. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Yeah, who's your good boy? Itch your ass, motherfucker. Whoa, motherfucker. I love you, boy.